to blow dry your hair like a professional and the things you need before blow drying. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Brush, hair comb, heat protection hairspray, your iron dryer, and some clips. You have to comb the hair through to detangle the hair. Before blow drying your hair, always remember to use your heat protection hairspray. This will protect the hair and prevent the hair from getting damaged. Smoothing the hairline is important because it gives the hair a very beautiful and professional look. Now you're going to circle out the middle of the hair and get ready for your blow drying. This is the important part of this video. First, all you have to do, you have to take a section of hair that is the size of your brush. Put the brush on the hair, hold it tight, pressing it down, using the hand dryer behind you to smoothen everything out, making sure that everything is smooth. After that, you can work on the middle of the hair, making sure that all the baby hairs are getting into the brush and everything is nice and smooth. The secret of a perfect blow drying is making sure you're directing the dryer down and pushing in all the baby hairs, making it smooth and do not blow out your cuticles. So this is the method I'm going to be using throughout this hair. I'll keep working and I will see you guys when I get to the crown of the hair. Blow drying the hair, this is the way the hair should look. Beautiful, soft, and perfect. I'm working on the crown, and because I don't want this hair to go too flat, I will be over directing my brush to add volume to the hair. So this is the hair after I finish. This is the final look. This is how a perfect blow drying should look. Soft and shiny. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you.